Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we are looking at the very first pair of sports earbuds from LG. These are the tone-free UTF8Q, and with a secure and comfortable swivel grip technology, ANC, IP67 and great battery life, these could be your new go-to earbuds for working out. So, let's take a look. And today is also a double upload with the world's first pair of Dolby Atmos head tracking headphones, also from LG, the T90Q, which of course will be linked in that description down below. But as always, a bit of housekeeping before getting into the video. The TF8Q comes in a very sport looking dark grey, lime green yellow combo, and they are available today, and of course will be linked in the description below. And a massive thank you to LG for sending these over, and also the T90Qs for review. Now, a great change to this year's line of LG tone-free earbuds is their new packaging, which is basically all recyclable. In the box you get a USB-A to C cable, USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, which we will get onto, some paperwork, multiple ear tips to get that perfect fit, along with the ear hooks and of course the earbuds themselves. Now, for the first pair of sports earbuds from LG, I actually really like the TF8Q. You have a small case which is able to fit into most pockets, but not necessarily the small coin pocket like prior models from LG. You do have multiple LEDs for charging, pairing, and of course the UV tech on board. Now, you also have a slider on the side that allows you to make even a non-Bluetooth piece of tech, like a Nintendo Switch, have Bluetooth on board. So with the included 3.5mm to USB-C cable, you can plug it into basically anything that has an auxiliary output, and then it will use the case to basically get a Bluetooth signal over to the earbuds, allowing you to use even older tech wirelessly with these earbuds. So for example, if you have a Nintendo Switch which is notorious for not having Bluetooth connectivity, you can then plug in the case and then use the earbuds wirelessly with your favourite games on the go. And as these are sports earbuds, you can also use it for something like a treadmill to be completely untethered from what you're doing in terms of a workout. So you're not going to have that sort of awkward wire between your earbuds and the equipment you're using, so it definitely allows a lot more freedom of range of movement. Also, for sports earbuds, they're not too big or bulky, mainly due to the fact that they have no external hooks or ways to wrap around the ear. The fit itself is all in the earbud. And they actually fit super well, but more on that when we get to the sound portion of this video. The earbuds are also IP67 dust and waterproof, so rain or shine on your workout, you won't need to worry. But if you do get a bit sweaty during a workout, you can just rinse them under the tap super easy. The earbuds also feature medical grade ear gels, and this goes hand in hand with the UV nanotech in the case. This means that when the case is closed, the UV area will reach both the ear gel and the inner ear mesh inside the earbud to reduce bacteria by up to 99.9% in just a 10-minute charge. So with a nice sport design and a great fit, how do they actually sound? Well, the TF8Q features some really nice active noise cancellation and also a really good fit in the ear, which improves the overall sound quality. LG have once again teamed up with Meridian for some great sound. This, along with the ANC, means that not just working out, but in general, these are great sounding earbuds. And I personally have used these earbuds for around a month now with different music types, different genres, movies, podcasts, and they sound incredible no matter what you're listening to. Using the tone-free earbuds to listen to some metal, bass-heavy, or even chilled acoustic music, it all sounded great, and being able to block out background noise with the ANC just amplify the overall sound. Now, like I mentioned, something that also helps with the sound is the overall fit of the earbuds. You have what LG is calling Swivel Grip Fit. So basically you put in the TF8Q and twist them into place. The hook then fits into your outer ear to stay put even in the most intense activities. The open air design also means that while the fit is great and very secure, the earbuds allow for airflow in the ear to help with sweat over time, and again it sort of relieves some of that pressure that you do get with some active noise cancelling earbuds. So for such a tech heavy and also really great sounding pair of earbuds, how's the battery life overall on the TF8Q? Well, on a single charge you get 10 hours of playback with a further 20 hours in the case. So overall you have 30 hours of listening potential, and when you need a quick top up, place the earbuds in the case for a fast charge of an hour playback in just 5 minutes. And of course you have the LG tone-free application where you can play around with things like the EQ, active noise cancellation, plus tons more. Here you can change the listening modes from normal to transparency to ANC and different EQs and sound settings along with the earbud controls. Of course, some features like active noise cancellation and transparency can also be turned on or off just using the earbuds with a long press. So overall, I was massively impressed with the UTF8Q, and like I mentioned, they are the first pair of sports earbuds from LG. So if they keep doing sport earbuds moving forward, who knows, in maybe next year or the year after, the potential is really good to have a brand new line of sports earbuds, so you don't necessarily have to stick with what you know or what you're used to. And again, the sound quality overall, plus the fit in the ear, these are actually a really good pair of earbuds in general. Even if you're not necessarily going to use them for sport purposes, if you just want a pair of great sounding earbuds with some great active noise cancellation, then again, I would definitely check these out. And that's going to do it, guys. Of course, these earbuds are going to be linked in the description down below, along with my review that has also gone live today on the T90Q, a more conventional pair of earbuds from LG, but also offering some really awesome Dolby Atmos tech on board. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section down below. If you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so. And once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.